and thanks for tuning in to Cooking with Laura. I'm Laura, and today we're making strawberry kiwi pops. So in here, I already blended 2 cups of whole milk Greek yogurt and a cup of strawberries. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of honey. Here we go. And then we're going to blend that until it's smooth. Alright, we'll pop the lid off here. And then I already poured these into molds, and what you're going to do is leave a little bit of space at the top, because then you're going to take a half a cup of strawberries that are sliced. And you can put as many strawberries in your molds as you like. And then a third of a cup sliced peeled kiwis. And then you're just going to stir the kiwis and the strawberries into the molds. And then grab the top of your molds with all of them and pop them in the freezer for 3 to 4 hours until solid. Enjoy.